Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most stunning luxury homes in the world. Today, we're exploring a breathtaking red and Naswari-colored modern mansion that blends bold architectural design with high-end luxury living. From drone views to interior elegance, this home offers an unforgettable lifestyle experience, and I can't wait to show you around. So make sure you're subscribed, because this estate is something truly special. As we begin, take a look at this full drone day view. The house stands tall with clean geometric lines, sharp corners, and a beautifully balanced red and Naswari exterior. The landscaping is sleek, modern, and minimalistic, designed to perfectly highlight the home's unique color palette. The driveway stretches wide, leading directly to an impressive garage, and the symmetry of the design instantly tells you this home is built for luxury. Let's drop down toward the main entrance, where the tall modern glass doors create a grand welcome. The moment you step inside, you're greeted with a bright, open, and airy foyer. The natural light floods through the large windows, and the warm tones of the interior complement the red and Naswari exterior beautifully. Every detail feels intentional, from the lighting choices to the marble flooring. Moving toward the open-plan kitchen, you'll notice an incredible blend of style and practicality. This kitchen features a sleek marble island, high-end appliances, and custom cabinetry designed for both beauty and function. Subtle red accents are used tastefully throughout the space, pairing elegantly with the warm Naswari wood elements. This is the kind of kitchen where hosting dinner, cooking with family, or filming content becomes a pleasure. Just steps away is the dining area, centered around a stunning wooden dining table placed under a designer chandelier. The ambiance here is luxurious, yet comfortable, perfect for intimate dinners or hosting guests. Large windows provide natural light during the day, while beautifully placed ceiling lamps create a warm glow at night. Now let's walk into the living room, a space designed for both comfort and visual impact. Modern sofas, elegant decor, and soft lighting create a welcoming environment. The TV wall features a clean, stylish setup, making this the ideal spot for relaxing, entertaining friends, or enjoying family movie nights. Every corner of this room speaks luxury, but in a way that still feels like home. Heading further in, we explore the bedrooms, each crafted with unique character and premium comfort. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, warm wooden textures, and subtle red accent pieces. Large windows reveal beautiful outdoor views, and the layout creates a peaceful retreat. From soft lighting to designer furniture, every detail is placed with purpose. The bathrooms continue this theme of luxury. Marble walls, gold fixtures, glass showers, and spa-level finishing make these spaces feel like five-star hotel suites. Whether it's the master bath or secondary bathrooms, each one is elevated and modern. Now let's step outside to one of the most stunning features of the home, the swimming pool area. Surrounded by beautifully designed outdoor seating and landscaping, the pool is the perfect space for relaxation and entertainment. The blue water reflects against the red and Naswari walls, creating a stunning visual contrast. Whether it's a sunny day or a glowing evening, this outdoor space is pure luxury. Connected to this area is the home gym, equipped with top-of-the-line machines and full-wall mirrors. The gym has been designed for a serious fitness experience, with LED lighting and a clean, motivating atmosphere. This is a space that allows you to stay active, without ever leaving home. Now let's shift to the TV lounge, a more relaxed and cozy corner of the house. With soft sofas, warm lights, and a premium audio setup, it's the perfect place for binge-watching your favorite shows or enjoying quiet time with the family. The red and Naswari tones continue here, giving the lounge a signature warmth. As evening arrives, take a look at the night view of this mansion. From the exterior lighting to the glowing pool reflections, the home transforms into a luxury masterpiece after sunset. The red and Naswari tones become richer under the lights, giving the home a magical presence that's impossible to ignore. This mansion is not just a house, it's an experience. A perfect blend of bold colors, modern architecture, luxurious interiors, and world-class amenities. It offers comfort, beauty, and a lifestyle that's truly extraordinary. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Let us know in the comments which part of the mansion was your favorite. Until next time, Keep dreaming big and living beautifully.